So what I have here is the HyperX Alloy Origins TKL version, and then I have the 6% version right here. So the 6% one I got is actually the HyperX Reds, so they're linear, and this one up here is the Aquas from HyperX. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know, man. I like linears a lot, but I mean, the Aquas just feel so nice. They sound pretty much the same. It's just you have the actuation bump, and this one doesn't. It just bottoms out. So I mean, whichever one you like, they're both gonna sound good.